I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the mid-40s to the low 50s, and some light rain and sprinkles across far southern areas of Nebraska into northern Kansas. Northwest wind gusts of 45 are likely for tomorrow, in behind another cold front. Some flurries and light snow are a possibility from Ord into the northeast part of Nebraska. Tomorrow, our coldest day of the next week, with highs right around 40. Westerly winds off high pressure, warming those highs into the mid-40s to the low 50s on Sunday and to the 50s on Monday. Highs are knocked back into the 40s for Tuesday and Wednesday with another cold front. Thursday, a little warmer for next week with highs in the upper 40s to around 50. We do have a chance of some light rain and snow by Thursday through next Friday with some weak low pressure moving through the plains. It is looking good, though, for another run of mild temperatures in the long term. Warmer than normal temperatures are very likely for Nebraska and Kansas Wednesday through the first day of winter on December 21st. Nebraska precipitation for Wednesday through December 21st indicated to be near normal, while Kansas precipitation trends slightly above normal. Key weather factors influencing the markets include warmer than normal temperatures most of this weekend in the U.S. with good rainfall for the east and needed rainfall in Argentina and central Brazil. A complex storm unfolding across the nation's midsection results in unsettled weather in the central and eastern U.S. Snow spreads eastward across the northern plains, extending as far east as northwestern Minnesota. Towards North Dakota, snow accumulations could be significant with strong winds. Snow also expands from the central Rockies into the nearby plains. A severe weather outbreak begins this late day across the southeastern plains and mid-south, peaking tomorrow in the Mississippi Delta and nearby areas. Strong thunderstorms may even affect the southern Atlantic states on Sunday. Rainfall could reach 1 to 3 inches along and east of a line from the lower Mississippi Valley to Lake Erie. Across the Midwest, forecast precipitation amounts are trending lower with the latest run of the forecast models, which is less likely to help with the drought. Dry weather prevails the next 5 days from California to far southern Texas. Wheat areas in the western areas of the southern plains are in line, though, for scattered rain the mid to late part of next week. In central Brazil, even though rain amounts are lower than normal, amounts are mostly enough for developing soybeans. Southern Brazil, with overly saturated soils for developing corn and soybeans, gets an extended period of dryness next week, but it might not be drier for long enough as rain moves back in for next weekend. Argentina sees a couple of waves of scattered rain through next week, but amounts are forecast to be spottier than recent rains, and some areas are going to miss out. It's still, though, mostly favorable in Argentina for planting and developing corn and soybeans. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of the ag weather.